Good morning traders, Tamar here, FXGlobe ambassador. With your morning bell for Wednesday, the 30th of November 2022. And yesterday we saw Spanish and German CPI coming in lower than expected, and early this morning we've got Australian CPI as well coming in lower than expected at 6.9, where the market expected a 7.3. So hope is building in the market that we've seen the inflation peaked, and from now on prices are gonna start coming down, and with that the potential of a slowdown in a tightening of the monetary policy. So today we're going to get French, Italian and Eurozone CPI, as well as French GDP and German unemployment rate. So the EU Stock 50 is in quite a similar position to the DAX, and this one is consolidating underneath the level of 4,000. It has moved quite fast into that level, so we are very overextended on the higher time frame, but it has been consolidating underneath that level, which piqued my interest around that area. What I would like to see is a pullback to release some of this very strong buying pressure in and around the 38.50 before another attack on that 4,000 level. However, still keeping an eye on that area to see if there is any sort of reaction to today's numbers and the news. Now, moving on into the US, and some big data are coming out of the US today. So we're getting ADP, non-farm employment change, and quarterly GDP. We're also going to get Chicago PMI, JOLT job opening, and the monthly pending home sales, as well as EIA crude oil inventories. But all eyes is going to be on the Fed today, so we're going to see the publication of the Federal Reserve Beige Book, which is the information that the Federal Open Market Committee is using in their decision on short-term interest rate. And the big one is we're going to hear from the head of the Fed, Chair Jerome Powell, is going to be speaking today, and traders are very much hoping to hear any kinds of hints of a slowdown in the tightening of the monetary policy. So US dollar crosses are high on my watch list. For long US dollar position, I'm going to be looking at Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar and dollar CAD. But for short US dollar positions, then I'm heading toward dollar yen and dollar sing. They're both sitting very close to strong support levels. So dollar yen in and around the 137.5 and dollar sing at 1.366. Happy trading everyone, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.